All right, here we have a few of our beautiful cartoon characters here on the Pez Candy Dispensers. And we have Tweety, Yosemite Sam, and Sylvester. Aren't they beautiful? They're so cute. Now some of them are the old ones and some of them are not. These ones happen to be part of the old cartoon. They got a lot of ones that are out now. But this is part of the older group. Not the oldest, but the older group. They're so cute. Now you could turn around and fill it up with candy, put some hooks on it, and hang it on your Christmas tree. The kids would like that. See some cute little characters coming out of the tree. And then let them take their turn, grabbing which one they want. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Wait till you see my tree this year. Woo! We got a lot of different things we've added that we'll be giving. And what I do is I decorate the tree with everything because I have 6 little granddaughters next door. And I decorate the tree with everything the girls want according to their age and stuff. And they line up. And after Christmas dinner, they get to choose one thing, and then the next person goes, and they keep going like that till my tree's all empty, and all I gotta do is pack it up, put it away. I'm done. Quick and easy for me, and they love it. I did it last year for the first time just to be different, but they fell in love with it so much because there was jewelry on it. There was hats. There was everything, all the hair things that girls want, you know. It was filled with everything, and of course candy and stuff too. Gonna put all that, everything that they want at Christmas time. So it was useful, just instead of just looking at, oh, it's a pretty tree, made it very colorful. So these little characters will be joining them. Of course, they'll be filled with candy and extra packs because they do like those candies anyhow. So it's gonna be a win-win for everyone. Definitely for me. Okay, but it puts a big smile on their face, and all the time before Christmas they get to really see what's on the tree and to know, oh, I'm going to go after that first. I'm going to go after that. You know, and they kind of decide what they're going to want beforehand. That way, they're organized. They're ready. And it's kind of nice to see, you know, the style of the child, which one they're going to take. Because everyone has their own likes and dislikes. Alrighty, hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. And if you plan on doing that for Christmas, now's the time to start. When you go in the store, check those clearance racks all the time. Especially for all the hair stuff and everything, or even clothes. Because I've rolled up clothes and put them in too. You know, PJs, shirts, anything. You can put it all, tuck it down the leaves of the tree. Wrap it up, roll it up. Alrighty, bye-bye now.